Hi everyone, and welcome to the short tutorial on using the bulk edit feature in Schoology to bulk edit grading periods. Now this video comes in time because we've just recently added quarters and the exam periods to our grading periods. So in the past, when you went in to create an assignment, the only grading period that you could add an assignment to under grading options was semester 1. That was the default from PowerSchool. Now we've added quarter 1, quarter 2, and E1, at least here at the high school, and those grading periods will help you sort out your gradebook so that you're not looking at entire semester worth of assignments, some of which have been assigned and graded and already stored in PowerSchool. So how do we use these sorting fields to better stay organized is what we're covering today. Now, this tutorial is going to show you how to change the grading periods in Schoology. However, it's worth pointing out that changing the grading period in Schoology does not affect where your assignment ends up once you sync to PowerSchool. All right, now this is important because you have to carefully add those due dates to Schoology assignments, since the due date is the ultimate indicator of where the assignment gets filed in PowerSchool. So when PowerSchool is pulling your assignments over from Schoology, it's going to look at the due date, not one of these grading periods as far as filing it. So with that, I want to show you how to use the bulk gradebook features. Now you'll notice that I'm in the gradebook tab already. So I'm going to click up here in the top right on these, I'm going to call it a standing ellipsis, the 3 dots in the top right corner. Then I'm going to select bulk edit. And this brings up a really powerful window. Now you'll notice that I've already started adding a couple assignments to quarter 1 and filed some in quarter 2, but these here are still kind of added in my catch-all basin, which is semester 1. So I've actually used titles as well as due dates to separate out what should be in quarter 1. It's important to note that this page is not automatically saving. I need to scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes to make any changes. Now I want to insert a quick pro tip here. If you haven't noticed this before, this binder, or maybe you might call it your lesson planner book, is up here in the top right and allows you to skip to the same page, the same bulk edit page, in another section. So if I wanted to take a look at what this page looks like in another section, I can do that very quickly by using this binder tab. Let's return to the gradebook tab for this course now and see how those changes took effect. You'll notice that I have a number of assignments that you could say have disappeared. Well, that's because by default I'm looking in semester 1. If I switch to quarter 1, I now see just my quarter 1 grades. You'll notice it cuts off in my 4th journal. That was due at the end of the quarter. And if I switch to quarter 2, everything after that point in October, everything that I tagged with quarter 2 is now showing for the 2nd quarter. So that's how to use this bulk edit feature. There's a lot of other things that you can do. We didn't even touch on what the shift due dates option is, or the powerful planning mechanism of adding assignments and being able to look at them in chronological order. This is also where if you needed to change categories of assignments very quickly, you could do that, as well as tweak due dates and due times. It is more of an advanced feature within the Schoology gradebook view. So thanks for watching this short tutorial. Give us a holler on the D7 Schoology 411 group, or shoot me an email if you have any questions.